Yeah, KWAN. Kwan.
Say hello, man.
Hello, สวัสดีครับ Good morning. How are you everyone?
These man right here. I'm a part of them, man. I stay with your family.
Yeah, you stay long 2 years with me, huh? Don't worry. We had the room, we had a plate for you.
Did you get the ox?
Chamberlain. The ox.
So we are start to track. Start here. We are walk to the river, waterfall, and then we are walk to the elephant camp. Elephant. We walk to the bungalow, and then we stay overnight in bungalow. Tomorrow we are walk about 2 hours. Okay. Let's start walking now. Okay.
Let's go.
See, I told you they were only going to go on a day hike. See how cover I am?
So this is the real Thailand.
This is how we look before the hike.
We just started. We only walked from down there.
Where did they go?
Up there.
Soon we will show how we look after.
Away from the hustle and bustle. Away from Bangkok, we are in Chiang Mai. Sorry, Kab. Move fast. The country calls up. Oh, I can hear the waterfall.
Can you hear it?
We're going to wherever the guy said. I don't know. I'm dead. Are you dead?
I'm dead. On the little hill.
The real mountains.
Real deal is here.
This is the real deal. Yeah. Exactly.
You can hear the water. Water.
Don't ask us what the where we are in Chiang Mai.
We don't even know.
We're in the woods, in the forest. Huh?
Lai River.
Chai Lai River.
Lai.
Chai Lai
Riverside.
Riverside. Look at that. Chai Lai Riverside. Damn. If you ever come to Thailand, get away from
Bangkok.
go on, say.
Go away from Bangkok and come to Chiang Mai. Nice. Oh, it's a puppy. Let's take a puppy home.
That's right, we got rabies jab, so we're cool. We can touch.
Let's take a puppy home. The highlight of the day.
Oh. Don't eat my shoes, mate. I need them, I just died. If you want to come, come. No. Say no more. Local. Sadikap.
Sawadee.
Yes, yes, my Thai is brushing up. But basically we got so drunk last night. And here we are. Absolutely waking up at 8 AM to go on this 2-hour ride to here. And here we are. I'll catch you in a bit. We've been walking for about 5 minutes. And
I'm dead.
I don't want to wear underwear no more. I don't want to wear it. I don't know what the use of it is for. I just don't know what the use of underwear is. I've got shorts on. Someone tell me what is the use of underwear?
Look at that.
Dang. you see, you don't. Matthias, man, say hello to the camera.
Hi, man.
Introduce yourself, bro.
What's up? I'm already sweaty as fuck.
Same
Like
here, man.
10 minutes on the way.
Another 1.4 hours to go. Apparently.
Where's the first stop?
Hopefully it's the waterfall, man.
Yeah, that would be great.
Hopefully.
Again, due to like
The rice fields were now finished. Kiki, that's a nice hat.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Where'd you find it from?
It's Versace actually, but the Thai one, you know, nobody knows about him. But
So if you switch the SD cards, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Take small steps.
that's what I do.
Hold the camera.
When? How are you feeling?
I should have went to bed early yesterday. So we booked a trek because it is a trek. Oh my god damn. Oh, it's refreshing at the same time as it is a trek. Tightrope specialist. Woo! Paradise! We made it to paradise. Oh, that's how we want to go. Oh, this is banging. Absolutely banging. The footsteps of giants.
I know.
I don't want to say I'll give up, but
But you give up.
yo, I'm telling you, it's like a Thai massage. It feels so good, but I just want to stop, but I just can't let Just can't let the forest know. I can't let the woman know that it hurts too much. Listen, I can't be asked to record no more.
Okay.
Yo, we just finished. I think so. Now we're here to sit down. 1 hour trip. Woo, Sadikab. So basically we're getting to the waterfall now. Have a little dip. Woo, look at that. God damn. Hey.